It's important to know that you can clip more than one image down to a single base. So in the previous video, we were just talking about this idea of having a base that's made up of several different objects, and I had a bunch of stuff in separate layers that I then grouped, and then we clipped an image down to that group. So the base had multiple things that made it up, one image clipped down to it. Um, but you can also have a base, and here I've got a few photos. We're going to clip all of them down to a single base. So let's create some kind of pixels that we can use for our base. And to do it, in this case, I'm just going to grab my elliptical marquee tool, make a selection, and then inside of that selection, with the brush tool, just paint a little bit, create some pixels. Deselect, Command D, Command Control D. And then, like you've seen up to now, I have a base, I have a photo. I'm going to hover between the two, click, hold down Alt or Option and click, and then clip that image to the base. But to do multiples, here I have another photo. I then hover between the next photo that I want to clip and the photo that's already clipped, hold down Alt or Option, and you're going to see that bent arrow again. Clip. Now I have a second photo that's clipped down to this. If I grab my Move tool, keyboard shortcut V, I can select that layer and move it around. And yeah, you can see both of those photos are now clipped down to that single base. I have a third photo, and you can, you get the idea. You can do as many of these as you want to. So, idea being, you can clip multiple images down to a single base. And really, up to now, we've just been showing a base with one thing clipped to it. But it's important to start to think about how you'll more than likely have potentially multiple images clipped down, and it can get more complex from there with adjustment layers and masks and things, and I'll demo some of that in upcoming videos here.